Welcome to Intersoft Institute. We have last week visited to China MRT. We have discussed about the MRT update and all those things. And we meet the technical persons and we meet about support team also. And we discuss for the new update. From there we have visited to Thailand, Chiang Mai. We have one student that is enrolled before the 8 days. He starts study the online classes. He understand 40% about on the online class. Then he asks for on-site data recovery training also for more confidence and practical. So we have arranged from China. We go to Thailand. We have trained him for the 3 days full day class about data recovery, MRT, physical, PCB and logical with the practical hand. After study online, it is easy to understand in 3 days about data recovery. He has done too many cases there. He understands the concept, how to recover, how to Seagate LM partial access and so a physical case and all those things. He has done good practice. He is satisfied. You can see the lab photo and class photos. You can see its review also. The first thing is what is the RAM? So RAM is temporarily storing the ROM data.
Yep.
And then as per the ROM data, he will access the service area locations and he will load the ROM file.
Yes.
But if there is a problem in service area, we cannot access the service area. In that time, we have to load from hard disk. We have a file, we directly load to RAM to come in half detection.
Okay.
So it will come in half detection. So for half detection, we will do these things. Okay. So half detection to be load, we have to load LDR from our sources with the help of ROM microcode.
Okay.
Whatever the ROM microcode, we will load LDR file to hard disk. This is WD live case. USB hard disk we have connected. See which model it is, family. This is WD hard disk connected on USB. So it is a slow responding.
I would like to go to module list, then number 2.
In module 2 only we have to view. We don't have to edit in module 2. There is a one shortcut.
I would like to see the bug.
ODD bug.
Okay,
so there is a bug in module 2 that is creating this slow responding problem. When we clear the slow responding problem, then it will be work.
Where? Here, right?
ODD below. Yeah, these are the bug. Okay.
Where the ODD?
When we go to module service area and solve the slow responding.
Okay. Then I go
to slow responding. Yeah.
And
then okay. It will repair the module 2. That bug remove and slow responding. If there is a firmware issues, then it will solve out. If there is no bad sector, no headweek, nothing, and due to firmware it is slow, it will repair it. So after this command it completed, you have to check the module 2. That is ODD clear. Now it's going on.
That is okay, right?
See, it is going on.
Going on.
Because it is slow responding USB. How is the class?
Yeah. In the beginning, I have some knowledge already. But I don't have the deep detail on some point. But when you come and teach me, I have more confidence and more deep detail. Yes, on any small issue. Okay. Right now, after the class, I can fix about 60%. But I need the time to be more practical. Yes. But thank you for your information, and your lesson is really good and a lot of detail on your short note and document. Yeah.
You see my first, we have shared the class, we give the support, everything is okay before the offline class.
Really happy on that, and thank you for you coming here.
Because in the class you make a more confidence in Thailand.
Yeah, correctly.
We are giving you best of luck.
Yes.
To be a good data recovery person in Thailand.
Yeah. And I think we continue to keep in touch to be the move forward to get to go up our data recovery lab in Thailand. I
It will
hope
be
you
good. I
always
think you will
support it.
starting the new task. That will be
Yeah.
you are doing already minor repairing and training
Yes.
also.
Yeah.
So it will be good for you.
Yeah,
Best
thank
of
you
luck.
for that.
You can start from my side. Any problem?
Okay.
We will continue the support.
Yeah,
No
thank you for
problem.
that.
Okay.
ขอบคุณครับ
Okay. Thank you. So after the class, we are continuous giving it support. You can check the WhatsApp also. I will show the WhatsApp history. Too many remote support we have given after the class also. So this is our on-site data recovery. If you are doing online, it will be 40-50% understanding. If you do the offline or on-site data recovery, it will be more confidence. Then support is continuous going on. If you want to learn about data recovery, or if you want to set up the lab, you can set up the lab also. We have a MRT Data Recovery Tools, PC3000, physical tools, technical support, case studies, all those we have. You can check our YouTube videos also. We are giving technical support also. But YouTube, there is a demo video, some basic videos are there. If you enroll our class, then you will get the full step-by-step course. We have a deep course structure. You can check our SSD NVMe class also. We have a WD firmware step-by-step class, Seagate firmware, physical class, logical class and PCB level class. These we have a step-by-step class. So you can check my step-by-step class. If you want to do, first do online course, it is a half fees. If you want to do more practice, then come to our lab. 6 days full day class also available. If you cannot able to come, then you can do the on-site data recovery training also or corporate training also. We also doing the customer hard disk data recovery. We have a data recovery lab also and we are a training lab also. So if you have any case also, you can send to us also, or you can give the cases to us for physical, firmware, SSD, NVMe, like that. Our main office in Gujarat, Surat. We are conducting offline training here. First do the online training. If you satisfied, no need to come. If you have more queries, you can bring the firmware cases and come to the offline class. Pay the difference, what you pay, that will be deduct from the offline class. That is a good benefit. So first take the 50% advance and take the online class, then come for the offline class. That will be good to us also and you also to explain and understand. So if you understand online class and come, that is very fast, we can cover it. Okay. So if you want to join our online class or if you want to join our offline class, you can contact us. You can take one by one class also. It depends on you. Okay. Thank you.